Guys, welcome to another episode on Linux Experiment. All laptop Linux users would have been thinking why Linux doesn't have an trackpad gestures. Well, trackpad gestures in Windows and Mac very intuitive to use and make our work easy. So today we are going to see how to add trackpad gestures in Linux. This method works on any Linux distros. So before moving on to the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. If you find this video useful, give us a like. Let's get started. Installing libinput. To add gestures on Linux, you will need a libinput gestures, which is a little library that can detect and recognize various multi-touch gestures on your trackpad. To install it, the procedure is pretty easy. Go the given website, don't worry, the link is given in the description. Now follow the steps shown. Installing Gestures app. To create your own gestures, there is handy little app that allows you to select which gestures you want and the command you want run with that gestures detected. It's just called Gestures. Head to their GitHub page, the link is given in the description. Now follow the steps. Making libinput to work on startup. Now open terminal and type libinput/gestures. If you didn't see any error, then head to setting, startup application, and press the plus button. Select custom command and type any name. Now type libinput gestures and save it. Most PF you might see an error like no trackpad found. For that you should follow these steps. Open your text editor and type the things shown in the video. Now save the file in your desktop as rc.local. Now head to the /etc file in your Linux partition. Now right-click and select Open in Root. Now enter your password. Now paste the rc.local file in that folder. Now open terminal and type the command shown. Create your gestures. This is the easy part. The app lets you click on the plus button to create a new gestures. Select the type of gestures, the number of fingers, and the direction of gestures. To map a specific gesture to a key press, you can use xdotool. You simply need to type xdotool space key space the keyboard gesture for that operation. For example, type Ctrl plus right to move to the next workspace. Make sure you start the gesture command with capital letter. We have created a list of keyboard gestures, so check it out, and if you want, use it. That's all, guys. We have successfully added touchpad gestures in Linux. So if you find this video useful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Link for the channel is given in the description.
If you want to know instant tech updates, then follow us on Twitter at CK's Tech India. And even follow our Telegram channel. Share this video to your friend who also use Linux and laptops. Thanks for watching.